love our wines, that know our wines. They've perhaps seen us in the stores, or they've actually maybe come down to the wineries, and we're bringing the wine to them and giving them a little bit of education and exposing our wines and our new products up here as well.
Giving people the opportunity to come and actually taste something for the first time, and seeing the look on their face when they stick their nose in the glass and say, oh my gosh, I never would have tried this had I not been here. You know, that's really the magic of this event.
This is such a great opportunity to expand and grow your business, meeting all different types of people. So we decided to come here because we wanted to share our love of cannolis, and that's what we share with the Muskegon community as well.
This gives us great exposure to things, people we wouldn't see most of the time. And as you look around, there's thousands of people that come through, and it's great for us. For a small plate restaurant like Gravity, it's fantastic.